This is the exact reason you haven't been able to get a single payout. In the next 60 seconds, I'm going to teach you a system that'll increase your win rate and profit factor. The system requires 3 steps and you need all 3 to be successful, so you want to watch until the end. So step 1 is to pick a session time to trade in and stick with it. For me, I trade the New York session, and by doing this, what you're doing is creating consistency, and that's what we're really shooting for. Step 2 is challenging for a lot of traders, and that is having a way to judge market sentiment. For me, what that means is creating a daily bias. This could also mean having targets that basically through experience and backtesting, have a higher likelihood of getting hit because maybe price showed you something or showed you a setup that you're looking out for. I keep it really simple. I pay attention to the first 15 minutes of the New York session. If price is above that range, I'm looking for longs. If price is below that, I'm looking for shorts. Step 3 is critical, but it's a game changer. You need a trading system that allows for more flexibility. Flexibility with your stop loss, flexibility to catch momentum instead of constantly trying to catch reversals. To demonstrate what I mean, let me show you my trades from today. First, I took a long. I caught a 50-point move based on a 5-minute closure outside of the 15-minute range. Then the market started to break down. I took a long right here at the bottom of the 15-minute range, and that one did not work out. You can see I got stopped out, but it's fine because I know that this is a higher probability trade, and that's why I'm going to take that setup. Then I saw the market close a 15-minute candle body after breaking this level here, only to perform a retest of a shelf, and this is a classic structural move that you should absolutely memorize. After I see the market respecting the shelf and breaking down, my bias changes, and this is where I enter a short for 149 points. Now this is very important. Everything you saw me do here was based on my 15-minute range bias. When we're above the 15-minute range, I'm looking for longs. When we're below it, I'm looking for shorts. Not only that, but you can see it was also based on what I call shelves. Price respects these levels when it's trending. And instead of having some made up take profit level on the chart, I trail using the shelf method. That's how I was able to get the maximum juice out of the squeeze. Most importantly, I want you to imagine that you could read the 15-minute range, you could understand shelves, recognize structure, and actually maximize your winners by letting them trail instead of cutting them short. And notice what I didn't talk about. No complicated candlestick patterns, no inefficiencies, high volume areas. That's because trading is actually simple, but when you're not consistently profitable and you don't have confidence, it's the most complicated thing in the world. I believe I stay consistently profitable because I only use these handful of things. There's so much out there, and I've just boiled it down to the most important. And here's the best part. I put together a checklist with the exact rules that I follow to catch setups like this. I also did a ton of back testing, and I put it inside of a free school group. If you want access to it, just comment the word challenge, and I'll send you a link to join for absolutely free.